Welcome to our Intuitive Empath Empowerment series. Be sure to watch the whole video for one empath self-care tip you can use right now. These are empath healing techniques for the intuitive empath.
This series is an introduction to our spiritual healing and intuitive development courses.
And make sure that you catch them all just like Pokemon for all the juicy empathic empowerment goodness.
Wherever you are in your journey, we are here to help.
And if you're just getting to know us,
I'm Heather.
That's Heather. I'm David.
From sunrosegarden.com,
home of our Intuitive Awakening community and Zen-Ed Academy.
As you come on, let us know where in the world you're watching from.
And as well, if you have any questions as we go, drop them in the comments.
Self-care is so important for the empath as they are learning to master their emotional response to energy. We're going to give you one simple self-care tip you probably didn't think of to do. This is something so easy to do right now that can lower fear, anxiety, and depression.
There are many self-care techniques that produce natural hormones, and they cost us nothing.
The spiritual practice of breathing. I mean, you're already doing it. Now, deep lung breathing can stimulate DMT because bigger amounts of DMT are produced in the lungs when we breathe deep for longer periods.
In Western cultures, breathing would not necessarily be considered a spiritual activity. You just do it. But in Eastern traditions, it is at the core of some spiritual practices. Why? I think we might know. It is life. Breath. Breath is life. It is the one thing we cannot live without for very long. In Taoism, the breath is a metaphor for the soul.
Spiritual breathing techniques give you more control over mental, emotional states and are proven to be neurologically healthy.
Good for your brain.
Now, different breathing techniques affect different parts of the brain. In a few moments, we're going to give you one gentle breathing technique to CTFO.
Chill the funk out. Breathing exercises lower stress and anxiety, improve coping skills, and calm panic. Gentler forms of breathing specifically enhance awareness and relaxation, while deep lung breathing can increase the intensity of those positive emotional states. Hashtag DMT. Gentle, slow, focused breathing triggers relaxation and increases dopamine in the brain.
Ooh, dopamine. With all meditative breathing in general, most of the time, breathe through your nose because nasal breathing increases nitric oxide in the body.
Which is a good thing.
Which is a good thing. It improves lung function and circulatory system function. Nitric oxide in the blood can lower anxiety because it lowers blood pressure and relaxes blood vessels.
But deeper lung breathing triggers a different physical and neurological response. It lowers carbon dioxide in the blood and reduces the monkey mind to help you CTFO. Out with toxins while you chill the funk out.
Yes.
Funk out, chill the funk out.
Put some Parliament on and breathe deep. It is really healthy to alternate between the two types of breathing to balance those two processes. And for people like me who have really low blood pressure, it's important so we don't pass out. If you were doing, let's say, a 5 to 10 minute breathing meditation, do the deep lung breath for 5 breaths, then alternate with 10 gentle breaths all through the nose.
There you go, super simple. That's our insight for this video. Don't forget to catch all the videos in this series using the link below to get a better understanding of your empathic ability.
In the next episode, one more empath self-care tip you can use right now.
And that's right now in the next video, so go watch it. If you've gotten something valuable today and you want more, let us know in the comments by hashtag more. And you might also be interested in our free Intuitive Awakening community where we specialize in helping awakening empaths, intuitives, and psychics step into confidence and clarity.
Ooh, if you're ready to level up beyond that, you can check out our metaphysical school and community, Zen-Ed Academy.
Be sure to check out the links in the description and see if it resonates for you. Since you guys have watched this far, be sure to check out the goodies we got for you. There's a link in the description below if you like this video.
Hit the like button.
And if you want to see more videos like this, more videos like this,
Be sure to subscribe
and spank the naughty bell to turn notifications on
so you're the first to know
when we drop a new video.
or go live.
And we know that time is a valuable and precious resource. The fact that you guys have chosen to spend that with us, we absolutely honor and appreciate that. But more importantly, that you are here to level up your life, your mind, your skills, take everything to a whole new level. We honor and appreciate that even more. If you want more, be sure to binge on one of our other videos. Matter of fact, all of them, binge on them all. There's links all over here. I'm sure you can figure out where they are. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video.